treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Toyota 4Runner. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.